In this video, we are going to talk about how you can teach your baby to sit up on their own. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Baker, a pediatric physical therapist, and on this channel, we help proactive parents learn how to help their babies move better. Think of me as your pediatric physical therapy bestie, here to help you learn tips and tricks to help your babies move with confidence and ease. In today's video, we are teaching you ways to help your baby sit up independently. Now, teaching a baby to sit up on their own or to sit up independently is a big moment in a parent's life. You are helping them start to see the world in more of an upright position. And it can also be really scary or really frustrating if a kiddo is showing some signs that maybe it's not quite as easy as you anticipated it being for them. Now, don't worry, there are so many things that you are capable of learning in order to help your child move well, including helping them sit up independently or progress towards sitting up independently. In this video, we are going to go through where to place your hands, what to do, and ways that you can help a baby sit up as they're learning to navigate gravity. You have to remember when a baby is learning to sit up by themselves that gravity is constantly pushing them to the ground. It's pushing them forward, it's pushing them to the side, it's pushing them backwards. They have to navigate and turn muscles on and off in different sequencing. And it can be really complex for a little babe who's literally just learning how to live in this world. So, one of the things that you can do with your baby is learn different tips and tricks and ways to help support them so that they can get as much exposure to sitting and learn how their body moves. Also, it's really good quality time with your kiddo. I think a lot of parents tell me that sometimes they're just not even sure how to play with their babies at certain ages, and these strategic positions can help you learn how to work with babies, whether you're a physical therapist or just a parent, and increase your own confidence in your handling skills. So I'm really excited to bring you this footage and to teach you a little bit more about how to help your baby sit up independently. Betsy, say hi. You say hi, friend. Hi, so today we are going to work on sitting independently. So this little friend is working on sitting up, and she's also working on transitioning from sitting to all fours or from her belly to all fours. So we've got some skills that are progressing, and we've got some skills that we're still working on. So let me show you kind of what we're working with as far as sitting goes. So this little friend has a pretty good upright posture, but she does tend to fold forward, and she loves to stick these legs straight so that she can stabilize her pelvis. When I tuck these little toesies in to more of a ring sit, she goes a little bit more forward and she loses her balance kind of side to side. So a super easy exercise that you can do is to just bring your hands in front, and my fingers are just giving her some cues. Yeah? Are you so happy? On the front of her ankles. I'm not holding them in place. If she extends her legs, I'm gonna let her go, right? So yeah, you extended your legs. Yep, now I'm gonna tuck them back. Do, 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 do. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Yeah. Hi. Oh, you see my hair? And then we're just gonna kind of rock side to side. Now, my forearms are giving her a little bit of stability right here. But this is gonna help her feel where her body's in space. And then we can go back and forth. Ooh, back and forth. Yeah, what do you think? We can go circles, circles, yeah. Go side, side. If
I go more, so that was a little bit easier because I'm giving her support at her upper trunk and a little bit at her lower trunk. If we want to make this harder, we want to make this harder, I can bring my hands down at her pelvis, and she might extend those legs out, but I can go side to side, but I can go further and then see if she'll put that hand out. Doot. Doot. Yeah, do you say hi to our friends? Say, I'm such a good model. Yeah. Yep, in a minute, okay? In a minute. We'll take a break in a minute, yeah. Oh yeah, let's go this way. Say hi. Do you see yourself? Say hi, friends.
Every baby does end up sitting up at different ages. A lot of times it is a range between 6 months to 9 months of age. As a pediatric physical therapist, I do really like babies to start working on sitting up around that 6 to 8 month range. If they can become sitting up at 8 months, or at least by the beginning of their 9th month, then they're going to be in a better position to tackle all of the milestones in the 9 to 15 month range, including crawling, pulling to stand, walking independently, and squatting to recover toys, as well as getting up off the floor by themselves. So that 9 month range, there's a lot of skills that start kind of coming together. Now, babies who sit up at 9 months, as long as they're sitting up at 9 months, they're kind of right on track. I'm just saying that those skills do build on each other, and so sometimes it can just be a lot. I think the more educated we are as parents and caregivers, the better our babes will be able to move with more confidence and ease. And that's a wrap, friends. I'm so glad that you joined me on this journey to learn more about how your baby is moving and to see ways that you can easily help them master those milestones. Now, if you do have questions and you can't find that through Google or your YouTube searching, make sure that you check the pinned comment, because you can schedule a one-on-one consultation with me and we can make sure we can get your questions answered or point you in the direction of the resources that you are looking for. Now that you know more about how to help your baby sit up independently, did you know that trunk mobility, so the ability to rotate side to side and both equally to the right and to the left, is one of the absolute core principles of having a good, strong core, as well as really important for kiddos to master before they start transitioning into crawling. If this is new information to you, or you're just like me and you love learning different things, especially about how babies move, make sure to check this video out next.